Hello and welcome to our channel, Lady Ferns. We are so excited to have you join us as we leave the lush green mountains for a completely different landscape, the desert. We absolutely loved our time here in the mountains, but we are always in search of a new adventure. And so we headed out again. We soaked in every last moment we could of this natural beauty. Once we left the national forest, it did not take much time for the landscape to start changing quite drastically. And before we knew it, we were at our new destination. We were going to be staying in amongst all of those rocks. After driving around and checking out the whole area, we chose to park at the very top. For many reasons, but especially for the view. As the sun faded behind the horizon and the stars filled the night sky, we tucked ourselves into the boler for the night so we could wake up refreshed and explore our new area tomorrow. After a quick morning walk with Stella, it was time to make breakfast. On today's breakfast menu, morning coffees and teas with a bowl of oatmeal. On this particular morning, I was really enjoying the 360-degree view from our kitchen window. While we enjoyed our morning breakfast, Stella rested from her morning walk. And Mr. Bennie, he found a nice shady spot to relax. Still being monsoon season, Tarah and I climbed up a hill to get an even better look at what weather was on its way. Stella can never pass up an opportunity to get into mischief. And sure enough, the afternoon storms did roll in. And with it, not only was there thunder and lightning, but also the wind. Stella secured a chair so it doesn't blow away in the wind. Good girl, Stella. Good girl. Doesn't want her beloved chair to blow away. Started rolling away. And then came the rain. As we prefer to cook most of our meals outdoors, we decided to wait out the storm to have our next meal. Well, this storm lasted longer than most, and next thing you knew, it was dark. It's been too windy to cook all day, hasn't it, Tara?
Yes. Now it's dark.
Now it's dark.
But it's calm.
Calm. Cooking by headlights. But the meal was well worth the wait. Living nomadically, we still have to do some of the things we used to do when we had an apartment. We just do those things quite differently now. We take our dog Stella for a walk. We still have to do our dishes. And we find ways to shower even when we are this remote. How do we make magic like this happen in a place like this, you may wonder? Well, simply put, we have a power source, a water pump, and then we have a jug of water. It was hot enough out today that we didn't even bother heating the water. But if we had wanted to, we have other components to make that happen as well. And for those wanting to know more, don't worry, we'll go into more detail in a future video. And honestly, sometimes there's nothing that can beat the view from our shower. So we're all detached from the boler. Today we're going to go do some exploring. And we are going to find out where this road leads. That one there. Unhooking and leaving the boler behind can sometimes feel uneasy, but every time we choose trust and adventure over fear and the unknown, and each time we are grateful that we did. After a day of exploring, we made it back to the boler just in time to have a nice meal before the weather turned once again. Stella once again guarded her chair from blowing away, but this time she decided it wasn't comfortable enough.
Stella, did you pick up your chair?
And every now and then, a storm produces something that was totally unexpected. Something that leaves us in awe. Thank you for joining us for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications icon to be sure you don't miss any episodes. See you next time.